Welcome back to the life of DJ Blazer. A long time I put on the vlog glasses. Yeah, Memorial Weekend. I forgot to link up ding, but Sizzla go on and I guess I'm supposed to work. So jumping at the ride here now and head out to Queens or Brooklyn, one of them. Nothing unusual. Traffic.
Hey, DJ Blazer! I am modesty! DJ Blazer! Blazer was the big bad man forward, a bad man pull up! Bad man forward! Now see me up on the place, how they run with? Watch out now! Go on with the road, go on with the road! Go on with the road!
I put this by YouTube so the chat people.
Go on with the road, go on with the road! Go on with the road, go on with the road! DJ Blazer!
So me supposed to reach at work 3 o'clock. Right now it's 2:20. Now we're in this big heavy traffic. And I not reach at my destination till 3:08. So you call this 8 minutes late. Which me feel like me early. Cause you know Jamaica time. But then we did figure link up ding and go over the next party there. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Because him not got a venue till after 4. And that's a Queens. I'm going to go to Brooklyn. So, the Queens location, they could have about 40 minutes from Brooklyn. Man. I don't know if you see what I go on the vlog. Bombard.
Exit right. 0.5 miles.
Finally reached. Well, not finally. Me reached a long time and can't get no parking. What a rough place. I want this a VIP parking this, but oh, maybe police will let me down here. Anyways, what going other place? Finally reaching here. See if we can make it up to the DJ booth right now.
Big up to the man who wants to see your father when you get it tonight. Let's walk up your lady and
I'm flying with you on here now. So this was about 4 p.m. Still early. We don't know. I have to go to the drone cinematics. Yeah. And the place I load up and I was also getting ready to do my set. We don't know, me have to just capture some things from Coney Island. So we just done get some sweet drone shots. I don't even think I need no more, but I might get some in the night. Because you don't know me like flying my drone. You them a juggle here now. I mean up in a few. But for now, they're going to circle the place.
It's not what you earn in life, it's what you save.
I'm playing the Portland artist.
I've got love and devotion. I got away across the ocean.
Love culture.
Protect my culture.
Love in a slow motion. I'm in a pool. I'm in a next one.
We done with the flying and wine.
Ladies. Come now.
Always on the run.
'Cause I've been
looking for
one of the wickedest covers of this. Jesus peace. One beat and bang again. Bang, bang, bang.
now you're here like you've been before, and you know just what I need.
Yes, it may go so no.
Took some time for me to see.
Ladies, wanna sing? Cause you keep good. Sing the man, so good. Yes. One yard, one word. Some Sunday evening music. Ladies! Cause me know that me so much I wanna come to see. Me just stay and benefit from it. All who love Sizzla Kalonji signal again in the year. Me I got test one of the see if I really love Sizzla. Me I got play. Tell them change them ways. You know Sizzla them again. So this is how we come up. Listen, every woman here will know you look good right now. Wave your hand in the air. If you smell good, wave your hand, ladies. She's dangerous. Wait till the one that is. When you can't hear this start up now.
A few moments later.
I don't know, because of copyright and also because Sizzla is a very popular artist and his music, you don't know. Me nah show no the whole show. See, me just go on some drone snippets. As a matter of fact, that part of the vlog complete. Life of DJ Blazer continues. Little more from now. Would you Brooklyn again? For good morning. No more. Day 2. So my phone dead yesterday, and the only operational video recording device that was up and running was the drone. So some people send me some video and I must see them because 2 vlog them I got tied up in a one. Anyways, we are head to good morning. And guess where the party are going? Same place. Well, not the same place, the same vicinity. But last night, we DJ in another club here. So, we're out to Brooklyn again. Good morning. Rain a fall. I'm going to link up me. My bro. I don't know if we are going to blast off in the base or we are going to go easy to the boat. Good morning it is. Yes, so we're out to good morning and now. Dog, pull up, you know. Spaceship outside. Not a mercy. You ride it west. Short people carry this. No, sir. Them never set. Boy, Gaba give me a par, you know. Can't sound miserable today, sir. Where do you take? Hey, you always have to do something, you know. Okay? Yo.
Hey, DJ Blazer. Yo, Blazer. Yo, Blazer. DJ Blazer. From Bronx, New York. Hey, Blazer play. Everybody now. Zip it up there. Zip it up there. Zip it up there. Blazer, as a fit.
Why? The weather. Rain a fall. But I don't know. Good morning, Brooklyn. Can you believe it? 2 days in a row. Coney Island. It's crazy.
Fuck credit.
Anyways, run going to the club right now. Hello, sharing is caring. I can't come under the umbrella. The umbrella they never can hold me. Reporting live from Coney Island. I don't think this little umbrella is gonna be capable of holding these folks coming to good morning. Somebody's gonna get soaked. Yeah. And look who it is. No, it's right down the block. On the boardwalk. And now we're down this one, alright down. But wouldn't chance in the rain, so I'm not thinking of nice music I play yet for your wet up. Because you cannot park on this street. So well, good morning start, but a good afternoon for me. And rain still a fall. I mean, I wonder if I must walk in it or not, but no. Yeah, mash up my shoes. Some man are running up with rain now. Wet them up in man are run. We reach. I wanna soak. Quick one! Jesus! A quick one now! And that the man imagine? Hold on. Who make the rum? Who make it?
We have them. But you want me? Honestly, Shotty catch me last night. When I found brown gas and car. She sing out for
I walk one. I am. A dirty copper shot. I am.
Party nice, so party nice. Look what's the crush, Sunday hours to level.
All black.
All black. Let me do the answer. Please remember Saturday, June 22nd. Alright.
Yeah, good night.
So, the food was catered by Triple Dose. 30 inside of Bronx.
Hey, come on, nobody not text you.
Each and
Nobody not
every
text you.
check it out. Triple Dose and have a ticket inside a Triple Dose card. Refill Tuesday, each and every Tuesday. Everybody out.
When you are your What up, my bro? Let them kids. What's good?
Some lucky boy. I'm not gonna tell you what he said. Some of the rich and about a friend vehicle. All the one that live in a blood clot do all those. Everybody will know us and move up and comfortable. Put them there to one that is here right now.
Where would I be?
What are you here?
Where would I be? Where would I be without my mama?
Who's a moving? You can't play some music. Boy, I can't trip. Why I say?
Big proper, texting those and big country. GLA Benz, pussy clap and quick, yo. Badness upgrade, Dogs place, no scale, no money, go scales. Just buy a house, because no money upstairs.
Badness upgrade. Some of them boy again boom boom.
Okay.
And I play with the boom boom. Let me tell you this. Let me tell you this.
Bad money or bad color. Rest in peace, I stand up and up. Oh, the king of him, everybody follow. Big down, and I used to run for some other. Marvin, never have a girl that's a dada. I like I'm a dirty man. Keep my kiss, everybody
Shot, girl, me not for them.
Warm up yourself.
And I'm coming in it.
I know we can't reach the flag. I walk.
You're reaching out.
Alright.
You're reaching out. Watch out when I check out. Check out.
Clean, my friend.
Yeah, you know my beard.
Well shampoo.
Well shot.
You're cute enough. Why you putting it on, huh?
The last time I video and our friend them, our man nearly kill one of them. See the man just breathe her and just take her off the market to blow up crap. You can't believe it. Jesus Christ. The woman said, Blazer, take it down off YouTube. I couldn't take it down, he did up already, I'm sorry. I want it go on.
No, that's all I got.
Hey.
Time to what you're supposed to do.
Only man, you know.
Time to what you're supposed to do.
You know, say a good nurse. A good nurse. And the nurse, I'm going to them little self, you know. I'm going to them little ratchet, dirty something, you know.
Who can't tell you? What are the boys that get to it?
So, people, this is one of the promoters of
Hey, good morning. That is it. Uncle B.
Yeah, I'm responsible for the food, so if your belly run, I him.
And if you consume good, I mean.
Good.
I'll take all responsibility.
Yeah, triple dose. I am drive truck. And I want to fix car over under, so all of the people that have the mash up under, I don't want it fixed, I'm going to link him. See? Alright. We're gone on my yard. We're gone on my yard now. Portland no come from in and be a rainfall. See it, yeah? Marcus, come in and I'm going to rain.
Yo, you want to promote, you know?
Yeah, want to promote?
Yeah, we can advertise it. So
yes, advertise it.
Alright, remember it's all about July the 7th.
Yeah.
I have two
of the most toxic artists in dancehall history. One tell girl figure turn crosses and 110 girl figure poison them man. July 7th, Dexter Daps, 450 Bikini Palooza. It not get bigger than that.
I don't have any tickets. Blazer have tickets.
Okay, I got tickets. The imaginary ones. And then Champion Bros.
10 year
Oh, 10 year anniversary. Bikini Palooza.
Giveaway.
How much?
$1,000 giveaway.
No, I'm going to bring some girl go over there.
Yeah.
Because money I have to make. Oh. Yeah.
Why you?
You can't come on the umbrella.
Oh. What are we promoting? What are we promoting?
July 7th. July 7th, Bikini Palooza?
Yeah.
That can promote?
No, you promoting it.
Oh, no. Here when me promote. I promote
tell
Life
me.
of DJ Blazer on the YouTube. It's free.
Oh, yeah.
So just go subscribe. No, don't do that.
Thumbs up. You got a thumbs up too.
Come on my vlog.
No, you got a thumbs up too. Don't
Yeah.
just subscribe. You got a thumbs up too and watch the whole video.
No, we can't press pause it.
I need it behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes? No, in front the scene.
Yes.
You know, in front the scene.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Like.
Yeah.
Share.
Yeah.
Watch the whole video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
That is it.
That is it.
And big up NYPD.
Yes.
All right. We are going home now. Hey. I don't understand why KK out here and she says she leaving and going about her business.
Yeah.
Why are you out here?
Because I'm going about my business. I said the right thing. You deaf? Are you?
All right, you know what? Let me go about my business too.
Okay, let's go
It's
together.
KK.
Come
Yeah. I'm big up her cute friend. Oh shit.
It's KK.
And CC.
Don't cry. You see this right here? Look. Then zoom in. You see this right here? Zoom. KK and C.
KK and CC.
Don't.
Wanna sound like CC whiners and. All right, big up yourself. Yeah. I went the hey. Woo. Hey. Woo. Me done party. Holy things going on. Hope you enjoy the vlogs. Life of DJ Blazer continues. I'm tired. Memorial Weekend, New York City. Normally we're there somewhere far in the world, but we're there. I wonder if we're going to end up our next party. I don't know. Uncle Fred, if you get wet up, Uncle I move like young boy.
No, the taxi gone.
The taxi gone?
Taxi are forward. Taxi are forward.
Taxi are forward. Uber or Lyft? Or a taxi?
When they gone for it?
I watch it. Watch your forward. Yeah. All right. A good taxi service. So, Lana, I want to get good morning back and follow. I want a phone party? A phone party?
No.
Want to like the party?
Yes.
Okay, good. You hear that famous? The girls them love the party. So, which part of the party you like the most?
The beginning.
The beginning?
The middle.
The middle?
The ending.
Oh, okay. So you like, all right.
Yes.
Famous, you can't pay me for this. Good morning, you hear?
Good morning. What's up?
Them say them keep reloaded next week, June 9th. Wanna go?
Bye. Up. Like 7.
Una go June 9. Me see them a keep reloaded and say outside.
Okay, so we gonna be a reload.
Reloaded, you know, go. You know. Famous, I'm say reloaded. Get with it.
All me know, good morning done, and it look like good evening start, yes, sir. Speaking about good evening, you know, me have an audio on SoundCloud, and I can't go listen to it. The last time I DJ at a good morning, good evening event. But anyways, I Brooklyn with it. I don't know, the people them are all a giant in a parking lot. Them block out the place. Me never mind, cause me never did really want to take on that traffic there if I come back to the Bronx. But yeah, life of DJ Blazer continue. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Big up on yourself.